Hey guys!
Please do not be alarmed, remain calm.
So I wanted to give y'all an updated makeup routine like I had promised y'all. But first I wanted to show y'all this top that I got from Dolls Kill. First I put on my Black Girl sunscreen. I love this stuff. Definitely will get you some if you've never tried this stuff before. And then after that I just let it dry on my face. Then I put on my e.l.f. Power Grip primer. And then I went ahead and put on my number 7 foundation in the color Cedar. So I did all of that off camera because I was like, wait, I could do my everyday makeup routine right now. So I'm going to take advantage of this moment and show y'all. I just applied it with this sponge. I know I need to replace it. I have replacements at my parents' house. My mom was so nice to pick me up some stuff that I needed, so I need to swing by there and get it. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use this dirty sponge. But that's okay, I'll be okay. My skin will be okay, we'll be okay. So I actually have an event to go to today, so it's not quite an everyday makeup look. I'm gonna add a little bit here and there. I'm gonna add a little bit extra to my face, but not too much extra because I still want to look pretty natural. So something I usually don't do is add powder. Usually I just leave it at the foundation, but I'm going to add powder. This is the, what is this? L'Oreal Infallible, I believe. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this on top since I do have an event to go to. I need my makeup to last. Some people add powder after they conceal, but I'm going to add my powder then add my concealer. There's really no steps to how I do this. I just throw makeup on. And I'm definitely not a beauty guru, even though once upon a time I thought that's what I wanted to do on YouTube. But I'm definitely not a makeup girl. I don't know if y'all think that I'm like a makeup girl. If anything, 100,000% I'm a fashion girl, not a makeup girl. That's why I just I just do what I do. My battery's about to die. I just do what I do with no like rule book to it. But I need to go plug y'all up because y'all about to die on me. Let's see how far I can get before y'all die on me. So next I'm gonna add my concealer. I like to use what everybody uses, the Pro Concealer. The shade is really light, but I promise you it works. So I use this one. It's like that yellowish color. Oh, I have a fan on. It's making my nose run. So I need to turn it off. The remote is way back there. I'll get it when y'all die and I gotta plug y'all up. So I either use this yellow color or I will use this pink color. Today I think I'll do a yellow. And I just put it under my eyes, bridge of my nose. I know some people don't do this anymore, but I still do it. Ugh, I promise y'all I'm not sick. It's the fan. Y'all can probably hear it too. And then right there, and that's really it. That's all I do. But if I have excess on the brush, I just put it somewhere random because I don't like to waste it. Okay, that's too much. We're gonna blend it. Let me get this freaking fan. Oh, let me get this fan remote. I meant. Apologies in advance for the angle. I had to plug y'all up and the plug was behind me. So I had to turn y'all around, but we're back in business. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in. Any extra concealer, I just pat on my eyelids. So does anybody else put their makeup in plastic bags? Or is it just me? Yeah. So I guess, like I said, there's no like steps I use or choose to do first. I just grab whatever I can get my hands on first. Usually after I get my foundation on, and then I just apply from there. So today I'm going to just go ahead and add my blush. This is by Almay from Target, and it is the I don't know what's wrong with my voice. It is the so peachy color. So I do wear blush, and I just started wearing blush recently, maybe about a year. I just love how it adds that nice warm color to my skin. And I put it everywhere. I put it on my nose, I put it on my, I put it on my eyelids, put it on my cheeks, chin, and yeah, like around the perimeter of my forehead and my face. Just pack it on, really. Some days I go heavier than others. Today I'm not gonna go that heavy. So you probably can't even see it, I don't know. And then I like to just pat across my face like that, like this. I'm using this brush from, I think it's also from Target. I think it's an e.l.f. brush, but I'm not sure. It's a kabuki brush. Oh, I thought it has stopped recording. Y'all, this camera is giving me madness. So I'm gonna do my bronzer next. I know, so out of order. Usually people do their bronzer before blush. So my eyebrows have been microbladed, believe it or not. They did not look like this. They were way more sparse, but I still need to fill them in a bit, shape them. Honestly, if I wanted to, I wouldn't have to do anything to my eyebrows because they don't look that bad. I haven't plucked them, so they probably do need plucking. I am going to add a little bit of the Maybelline Unstoppable in the espresso color. This is how I improvise. I use mascara on my eyebrows. Yes. You can also use eyeshadow. So I'm going to just outline my eyebrows with the foundation that I was using earlier. Sometimes when you use the concealer, if you don't blend it out good enough, you can see it, and that's not a good look. Sometimes I'll use concealer and just blend really well. That's usually if I apply my eyebrows on first. But since I didn't do that, I'll just go in with the foundation and clean it right up. They're sisters, not twins. Where you going?
I'm gonna start in your car.
You gonna back it out in the driveway?
Yeah.
Look at you. Okay. Yeah. Where's my mirror? Here it is. All I have left is my lips and my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara. I like to use the Lash Sensational Sky High mascara. Honestly, will only wear false lashes if I have to. I forgot one step, which is the eyeliner. I usually do my eyeliner before I put on mascara, but this is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day eyeliner. All right, finally, let me get to my lips. So I got my eyeliner, and I love to line my lips because it makes my lips look a little bit more fuller. And then I just get some natural color pink lip gloss. This one is Sephora brand. And that is it. That's literally it. On a special day, I'll pop on some false lashes. I like to top it off. Where is it? Is it in here? Oh, here it is. I like to top it off with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Bam, your girl is done. This is my everyday makeup look. Oh, I forgot something. It's really not a big deal, but I like to put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I used to never do this, but I started getting compliments. It's the strangest thing ever. I started getting compliments of people saying, wow, your bottom lashes are so long. So I was like, people really looking at that. And when I had the mascara on them, people would really notice. So I was like, let me just add mascara. And I am done. So that is it. I don't know if you would call this like a clean girl aesthetic. I don't really do much when it comes to my makeup. But I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll be right back. See pleasure in my glare. Ain't scared. The effect you have on me when you stare. Get in the air. I'm too classy for this world.
Oh. I need to clip that toenail.
That hurt, golly.
It's because I was picking at it and it's
Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, it got so dark in here. Why does it take me so long to get ready? So I wanted to show y'all my hair in better lighting, but it's dark in here. So I'm gonna go throw some clothes on and head out. So this is what I'm going to wear today, and can't forget my shades. I don't know if I want a middle part or a side part. I'll figure it out. I didn't know you had that mask on, honestly. Yeah. I wasn't gonna scream or nothing because it would have been fake. Oh my gosh! The things he finds in his car when he's cleaning it.